Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Adventure awaits you if you get out of the city, out to the province. This is a big Easter Day feast, Easter weekend, 4-day holiday basically, and they know how to put on a huge feast here. Kudos to my friend's partner's nanny who put together all this food on short notice. And what a feast it was. Once you get out of the city to the province, the country, and this is in Liloan. It's at the Pangeas Beach Resort in Liloan, about an hour or so north of, even less than that, of Cebu City. And dive in. This is a group of people that live together and work together in close proximity. Very common for employers, in this case my friend's partner, to put up a feast for employees. Sometimes they call it team building. In this case, it's just a holiday feast out at the resort. So anyway, it was so nice of them to invite me and my partner along. Nice pool. What are you going to do, break it open?
Mm-mm.
Put a little mustard on there, eat it. Oh,
See?
wow, is that amazing? That's something.
And you eat that?
This
Yeah.
one.
No, you do, I don't.
So that was in the water, and you just picked it up. Wow,
Yeah.
I feel that. Yeah. See? Probably be.
I'm going to show you a few interesting things that we encountered, experienced while we were there and while we were leaving, walking out of that area. So stick around. I read up on sea urchins. There are about 950 different species, apparently, live in all different depths of the sea, as far as we know. And here my partner is. Here, I think the tide was coming back in. Would later would be up as high as some of these steps here.
Isda na, ma'am? Isda? Asa na? Ah, nari sa wakid dira. Asa man dapit? Diha ra jud sa.
Oh, diya ka to.
Wala ka daghan good.
Ikwintas bins.
Ha?
Ay, kwintas ang kwan. Gek.
Daghan na gud ani.
Ayo.
Nya di na ni makatunok.
Dili na. Ayaw lang gini siya sugata sa kamot. So kini pwede na naing murag kunita.
Ah, okay. Ya, buakon ra.
Pwede na imong bukon diha.
Okay, sige, salamat.
Now for my translation, they said, what did you catch? We have a pail of sea urchins. What do you do with them? Here, well, I think she knew very well what to do with it, but here you break it open like this and you eat the flesh inside. Anyway, it was time to leave, and the walk out was quite interesting. We brought a bus in. I've done two other videos, previous videos, last couple days, about the ride in. About half the fun is getting there, and about the resort itself. So you can check those out. I will put a link to at least one of those videos. And there's the bus we came in on. They were going to give us a ride out to the main road. I said, no, it's not that far to walk, as you will see. I didn't put the whole walk, but maybe a quarter of a kilometer, something like that. Eighth of a mile maybe. And interesting things we come upon out here. A goat, a friendly goat. Now most goats I come upon are not very friendly. This particular one was. Hello. Hello, buddy. Hello. Huh?
No,
Ah, don't eat me.
it's a meal.
Huh? Hello. Hello, buddy. Yeah. Hello. Friendly.
Friendly.
Ah. Very good.
Oh.
Thanks. Most goats are not friendly. What's this here?
No, it's a house.
That's a resort. I'm not sure if this is a resort or apartment type setup, but looks like it's getting very near finished here. So it'll be interesting if somebody knows what that is. They're just setting it up. And we're very close to the main road here. I have had so many great experiences meeting Filipinos out in the various provinces. They're always helpful. They're always friendly. And very, very rare I come upon somebody who is in a bad mood. Hello. Hello. Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Maayong Hoy Santo.
Okay, salamat.
Hoy Santo.
Motor mo rin. Motor mo.
Winner?
Maglak mo.
I had a little bit of an interesting conversation with the owner of the rooster, but you put that kind of stuff online and YouTube will demonetize you very quickly. You give up? Hey, you want to fight? Hey, buddy, you want to fight? I'll fight with you. You want to fight? Come here. It would be interesting to hear what the locals were saying about the crazy foreigner. What's he trying to do with those animals? Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Angelo.
Ah. One thing I love about the Philippines, it reminds me of all the freedom we had as kids out in the country in the USA, and many of you know what I'm talking about. Now there's rules and regulations and laws against almost anything and everything, and somebody commented on the channel a couple of years ago, we need those laws to protect us from ourselves. I'm sorry, I don't agree with that. There are some hazards out here. Kids having a good time on their bikes. There are some trenches, some water drainage areas that are not covered. So if you were walking here and weren't watching what you were doing, or driving a car, riding a motorbike, whatever, it would not be a good idea to fall in some of those ditches. And the Philippines is a land of islands, of course, everybody knows that, and people that supplies a lot of people with a lot of food, fish, and somebody can tell me, are they searching for sea urchins, or what else are they out there? There's a whole group of them out there, and you'll see this oftentimes at low tide. People will be out there looking for things, shellfish, other types of food, I guess. And as the tide comes back in, they're out there, even guys with masks and baskets to carry whatever they catch there. And some of you know a lot more about that than I do, but the nice thing is people that have lost their jobs over the last year of the lockdowns, many of them are close enough to the sea where they can go out and catch food for the day. This is not a sandy beach here, so you might want to wear some type of shoe. I have a pair of water sandals, I guess they call them. Water drains in and out very quickly. Works very well walking out in the rockier areas like this. We got here by a bus that my partner rented, about 15 or more of us, and we left a little bit early, a couple hours earlier than many people, and walking, I kind of wanted to walk a lot further. There were more things to see up the road we ended up, a taxi had dropped somebody off down on this road, just happened to come by there. So we got a taxi. I think it was about 380 pesos getting back. Less than $8 for a 40-minute trip. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.